Good evening, friends. The distinguished personality sitting on the dais and of the dais. Friends, I am from Guj Info Petro. It is a 100% state PSU of Gujarat government. We are already associated with J&K government. We are laying a pipeline from Jammu Bhatinda. And yesterday my chairman was also here. They have had the discussion with the Honorable Minister Ramjan Sahab and the Chief Secretary. So it's a 850 crore rupees worth of project which we are doing. So I will talk about some innovative projects which we have done for Gujarat and which has placed Gujarat ahead of the many other states. GIPL is a category ISP license holder. It has 12 plus years experience. It's a ISO 9001 certified company, and we have the 250 people's multi-skilled personnel. And it's the government of Gujarat has issued a GO for us that any work given to us, no tendering is required for that. They can give us on nomination basis. I'll divide this category in three parts. One is the software category, other is the ISP category, and the third one is the consultancy services. I'll not go to, because of paucity of time, I'll just run through. We have the state of art data center, ISO 27001 certified, multiple bandwidth sources. We are getting the bandwidth from many sources to give the redundancy. We are providing about 2 STM bandwidth distribution, and it's a total MPLS backbone enabled backbone. And we have about 2800 kilometer fiber backbone across the Gujarat through our petroleum company. It's a 24/7 support. We are providing the facility. It's not only we are giving that solution, we are giving the manpower also to operate it, because most of the projects have failed because the trained manpower are not available there. So we are doing the entire commercial tax we are running. The GUVNL, the electricity board, we are running it. The Gujarat Forest Department, GSRTC, RTO, GSDMA, the Education Board, the universities, our GSPC company, and the Ecology Commission, Saurashtra University, and many more. We are providing all manpower to them. We have given this webcasting and VC solutions. Vibrant Gujarat, we had the 3 Vibrant Gujarat consecutively, which was live telecasted. Recently, we did this all election polling booth live video, this webcasting, where the Central Election Commission and the State Election Commission has been given online things, and many cases the repolling has been done because of that. The CM Sadbhavana events, we did it. The event has been created with the Infosys chairman, so we did this webcasting. Honorable CM with Narayan Murthy, they were there. The foundation laying ceremony of Mahatma Mandir, then the convocation ceremonies of many, and the CM addressing to the Pravasi Bharatiya recently happened in Cochin. And ISPIPA is a institute where they all training for the IAS is given. It's also again connected with the video conferencing. Recently we have signed 3 MOUs with the BSNL. We are going to provide the IPTV services in the Gujarat, then it will extend it to all over India. Then we have a MOU with the Cason Engineering Hungary, which will give the leak detection and the monitoring system for the gas pipeline and water pipeline, etc. Then e-procurement system, we are having this e-tendering system. In Gujarat Forest Department, we have given this web-based software application. It's an integrated MIS system, and we have given the PDA to each beat guard, and we are monitoring each beat guard. And the unique features of that system, if he happens to see any offense, he need not to do anything, he just click the button, and the photo will come to the central server along with the let long and the time, date, etc. And the team will be given sent to them immediately to catch the thief. Likewise, if some animal or some lion has been fallen into the well, immediately he will send the photo and the rescue team will be there. This is the snapshot of that. We have won 2 awards for this. This is the Sibu Lal of the Infosys chairman. He gave this GCA award, and at the last year we won this award for this the 5th NTA award given by the International Telecom Union, Hemadan Durai. We did the software for the education board. It is containing the teachers registration, student services online, the mark sheet, etc. You can get it. The result we are hosting. Within 2 hours, we are managing 1.5 crore hits. Universities, again, we are giving the solution is from convocation to a concept to convocation. It's a total web-based application. And the first time it is happened with the Saurashtra University, it is a choice-based credit system. And online admission, placement, student progress report, online exam, alumni, and all those things you can see online. These are the universities which we are serving. The Pandit Deendayal Petroleum University, Mukesh Ambani is the chairman for that. Saurashtra University, Raksha Setu University, Gujarat Technical University, IIT, GIC, Children University, then the University Granth Board, and Sardar Patel University, and IIMA also. Another good solution we gave for the Gujarat Tourism Department, it's a GIS-based tourism information system. The moment you will land to the Gujarat, you will get a SMS that welcome to Gujarat, and some link will be given to you, so you can click that link and you can find all inquiries, whether preliminaries is there, which way to go, which hotels are there, so you can find all inquiries from that. The similar mobile application, it's Android, Windows, and iOS basis. We are giving the call center support also, and online reservation. Recently we had a Ranotsav, it is in the Kutch. Because of this online reservation, our income increased 300 times, and there was no leakage. And the best system, they awarded it. And the SMS alert I mentioned. Now we are giving the e-darshan and e-arti also through this Gujarat Tourism Department. And recently we are going to start very soon, because Gujarat is a dry state. So if anybody wants to come to Gujarat, you can apply for the liquor license online. These are some photos. For home department, again, we are the total solution provider. We have provided the CCTV-based surveillance systems. Recently, we did it for the Sabarmati jail. Today was the last date for the tender. The police, we have connected all the police stations, then the PCR van also, and video conferencing between jail and the court. Very soon, we are going to create a cyber Suraksha Kavach, because we were hearing from the last 2 days that there is no mechanism of seeing or taking care of those hackers, how to catch them. So this cyber Suraksha Kavach will keep watch on all those mails, phones, and everything. And the security system also we are providing. And Gujarat is the first state. Very soon we have launched a system after this Nirbhaya case of Delhi. If any ladies or any female, they will be allotted a one panic number. The moment she pushes that panic button, immediately it will go to the 100 number, the center, and the last call basis system, the provider will also give the location, and the PCR van and the police van will reach to that destination. We are providing this mobile tracer and the fully body scanner, cell jammer, etc. to this. Then agriculture department, again we gave this good solution. First time it happened in India. It's an online subsidy management system, MIS Seed Corporation. Then tour diary, here this inspector, agriculture inspector, the people will go to the field, they will give the lecture, and it will be captured on their tablet. Then GIS-based crop cutting system, because there was huge complaint in the crop cutting with the fake claims, etc. Now this will not possible. The moment the farmer put that seed, the photo will be taken. Then when the crop is there, then again the photo will be taken. And if there is any insurance claim, that will be certified by that server. Then we have in Gujarat pond scheme, pond monitoring. If any farmer have a pond in his farm, he will be given 1 lakh rupees subsidy. So earlier it used to be table survey only, but now the inspector has to go to that farm. He has to make a pentagon and click a photo, and that lat long time and everything will come, and the central server will be updated, and the subsidy will be given to the farmer to his account. Similarly, the seed agency also, we gave the similar kind of solution. Material distribution again, then financial accounting system, GuzFace, we gave them, and facility management. And beside that, there are about 2 crore farmers are there in Gujarat, and everyone is having the mobile with them. So we want to give them a alert, SMS alert, that what kind of seed they should have, what kind of pesticide or the other things they should use, and after this crop, we will tell them where to sell this, and this will be connected with the MCDX exchange, and if they want to sell it, they can sell it, and the amount will be given to the bank if they are getting finance from that bank. These are the snapshot about those things. This is the pond management. This also again recently, this 7th May, we got this award from the 7th World Communication Award for this innovative telecom services, where the two union ministers were there, Kapil Sibal and Honorable Sri M.F. Farooqi were there, the union secretary for telecom. Likewise, for livelihood promotion also we gave this MIS system, this self-help group certification issue, synchronization of data, mobile-based application. And RTO again, we were the first state to create the state registry and implement the Vahan and Sarthi software. We have already digitized about 90 lakhs entries. And now very soon we are going to have the e-challan system, where immediately the traffic inspector will get the full access to the server of this Vahan Sarthi, and he will get the full details of the driving license and RC book. So you can catch hold the thief if it is a stolen vehicle. We are maintaining this check post. And another thing, we gave this automatic driving license. Now, like passport, you can apply for the driving license. You will be given a time slot. You reach to that place and your test will be taken. Like commercial department, we implemented this VETIS application. It's 100% uptime, and we are maintaining the complete website and the load, this servers, etc. It's a fully secured with IPS, IDS. Scalability is also there, and this is the only state which are getting more than 25,000 return online on a single day. For GSPL, we have provided the online pipe management system from the day one. When you want to lay down any pipeline, all those engineering data will be laid to there, and any leakage detection and everything will be there, and all land record, ROU, ROW system will be there. BRTS is again success story for Gujarat, and we were the first company to operate this BRTS in Ahmedabad. We won many awards for that. And second, we have started for Rajkot also, though the tender is not there, but the BRTS is already operative. Then we gave this ERP solution to many big companies, the SAP based, Oracle based, or Open ERP system. Is the GMDC, GVNL, GSPC Gas, GSPC, GIPCL. There are many companies like that. And there are many lists of the companies which we are there. Then other e-governance projects the Gujarat is having, the Swagat Online, E-Dhara, E-Gram, Health Management, ECT, IWDMS, Janani Suraksha Yojana, Online Birth and Death Certificate, the Online Mother and Child Tracking System, IFMS system. I will skip those things because paucity of time. And Gujarat is the first state which has taken, if you want to have the test for the whether you are having the male child or the female child, so we have connected all sonography machine to our central system. If any doctor start that machine, immediately the system will get the alert that this doctor has started this machine, and the result will be shown by that central server. So no one can go for that test unless until it is prescribed by the doctor. Recently we have won these 3 awards, this XNL, MAGIC and iMine award. Thank you.